Hi, I just want to show you how really easy it is to plant up a pot of pretty plants to cheer you up through this rather difficult summer. So this pot I had bedding in last year, and I've replaced the top 2 or 3 inches of compost, but not the rest. And in it I'm just going to pop, first of all, some Lavatera silver cup that I grew from seed. Pretty pink flowers, have a couple of those. And then perhaps some nasturtiums, again from seed this year, to drape down the side of the pots. And of course they have the added advantage that their flowers and their leaves are edible. Salads, nice peppery taste. Put those there. Then I'm going to add a dahlia that I grew from seed that I got free with Gardener's World last year, with the Gardener's World magazine. It's called Bishop's Children, and I managed to grow them quite well and to overwinter them and get them to sprout again this year, so I'm rather proud of these. I'm going to put that big plant right in the middle. Super clashing colours, very happy with that. Just find that whole cottagey look very appealing, especially when we need bright colours and cheering up with so much bad news around. This is a Selenum, which is actually a perennial plant, and it's got lovely white sort of cow parsley flowers. It's got such pretty foliage as well. Quite a tall plant, so there would be a bit of height there. And then I'm just going to fill in with some marigolds that I just grew from seed this year. So really easy and fun pot. Just keep it watered and in a sunny place, and that will give me a whole summer of enjoyment.